Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cover image for your LMS, whether that's Canvas, Google Classroom, or whatever, that tells the kids exactly what to do in the assignment. So let's hop in. All right, guys, I'm going to give a little credit where credit is due here. Alice Keeler posted this on her Twitter account, and I thought it was a really interesting idea. She creates a template with everything around the outside for her social media images that go along with her tweets and posts and whatever. And I thought, wow, I create images for my students all the time, and I could just customize what's around the outside so that when they look at a cover image in Canvas, which I'm using this year, they can see very quickly what assets I'm using for virtual learning. So if it's an Explore Learning gizmo, if it's an Ed puzzle, if it's a Flipgrid, whatever, I just line up those logos, drag them in, and then the kids will know just by sight what they need to do for that assignment. So let's go ahead and hop in. I'll show you how to do it. Anytime you put out an assignment, you have everything you need on the outside of this image. All you have to do is quickly drag it in. So I just did an assignment that was in Explore Learning Gizmo on Waves, and I wanted the kids to use a Google Doc. So what I'm going to do is insert an image, and I'm going to search the web, and I'm going to search for Waves. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that image. So I'm just going to send this to the back. Then all I need to do is orient the rest of my stuff. So now to build it, you just drag the assets that you need for your particular graphic. So I have a logo for my YouTube channel, for my blog, kicksomeclass.com. It's an Explore Learning Gizmo with a Google Doc. It's going to be in Canvas. I put a title and I'm good to go. So once you have it created, you just go to File and download as a JPEG or a PNG, whatever you're looking for, and then you import it into your LMS of choice, and the kids can see exactly what they need to do. Hey guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope it helps you kick some class. And again, remember, that's our new blog, www.kicksomeclass.com. And this tip and all sorts of other things will be there, as also here on our YouTube channel. But really, the goal here is, can we provide students with another way to get done what they need to do, or to just quickly notice it? So I hope that was helpful for you. Check out all of our other tutorials, tips, tricks, and all sorts of good stuff that we've got going on here and on our blog. So I hope that was helpful. Have an awesome day. See you later.